Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. This is the first aid box and its contents or items I have made with the help of color papers, glue, chart paper or cardboard. Few ingredients which I have tried making it, and also it turned out to be super cute and nice, colorful, like bandage, Dettol, thermometer, tablets, cotton, gloves, whatever contents also you can add if you want to make a first aid kit for your kids as a science project or at home also for home learning purpose. Here I have taken a box, covered box. I had glued it from all the side, properly sellotaped, and used color paper to cover it properly. Also used a ribbon uh, for handling it properly, one by one, keeping all the items or contents inside it. And it turned out to be super cute first aid kit for my son's school project. Hope you all like the video, like the project. Please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more projects. Thank you all.